Hi, welcome back to Everyday Makers. I've got a few product reviews for you today, and I've also got a sneak peek into some of my upcoming projects, so stick around. Hi, welcome back. I'm Dan. Thanks for watching Everyday Makers. I've got a few product reviews, things that I've just gotten over the holidays. Hope everyone had good holidays. And sorry, I haven't been posting much with being busy and all that. So, oh, and a cat's come to say hello. Hello, cat. All right. So, first thing, I got this little screwdriver set here. Small bit set. Hopefully you can see this. Bink. If you're like me, take a look at all those. If you're like me, and when you're using your little screwdrivers, whenever I use them, they end up getting tossed in a junk drawer, or I put them somewhere that I don't remember. They're so tiny, and then I can't find them when I need them. I can't find the right size. So I talked to a buddy of mine, and he showed me this set, and I was blown away by it. I found it on Amazon. I don't know, I can't recall the company that makes it. Yeah, but so it comes with this tool. This is just holds all your different bits, and then it has every type of bit you could possibly think of: flat, Phillips, star, square, triangle shaped, like these. I don't know if you can even see this. If that would be called a little spanner bit, I'm not sure. But it has everything, and it's amazing. It's in a nice case, and probably the best thing about this, not the best, but one of the coolest things, is it comes with this little extension, and you can turn this extension, so you can hold the end and turn it, and you can still turn the screwdriver. So this is really good for electronics, and I know Craig, I think you have one of these too, and I believe you use it for electronics. Is that correct?
Yeah, I've got several of these that I've used for years and years. Probably my oldest one is this one, kind of a little random collection of various bits. This is pretty normal sized bits with a few minis in it, but not much. Handful of sockets, great to just travel with and be portable. And then I've upgraded to larger sets like this that have a handful of small bits, really common use kind of stuff, as well as the normal size bits. Up to, this was a promo Christmas set one year at Lowe's, got some relatively small bits in it. And now the one that I've moved on to that I use most of all is this set. It has about every kind of bit you're going to use. Really, if you're taking apart a phone, taking apart a computer, anything like that, this is what you need. It's got everything. And it's really handy. There's some bits you can only get for, iPhones have a certain bit that nobody else uses. Some Nintendo products use bit nobody else uses. Cell phones classically use a different bit. So this has got pretty much all of those in it. It also, this particular set comes with guitar picks and little spreaders and all the various stuff to use to crack open a phone comfortably, crack open a screen on a laptop. You got to work along the little seam in the plastic and everything to keep from breaking anything. Those are super handy for that. This one also just happens to come with a magnetizer or demagnetizer, which is a handy little addition. And then on the other side of the case, it's got the screwdriver handle as well as a suction cup, which is great for pulling off phone screens. Just puts a little even pressure on it, keeps you from having to crack up one side. It's got tweezers, all the good stuff. These are called spudgers. They're basically just little flat forks you put under there and pop stuff up. Real handy to have. And this one, I bet I didn't pay $15 for it. It's a pretty cheap set, and it's just got everything you need. So I keep these now. They were all over my place in various spots, and I would always find them when I needed it. And now I finally put them all together, and I pretty much use this one 90% of the time. But it's handy to have other ones just in case. So yeah, I'm a big fan of them too.
Cool. Thanks, Craig. So yeah, this thing is amazing. It was $12 on Amazon. I think it was worth every penny. I would pay up to $20, $25 for it. Because when I was researching, looking for some more small screwdrivers, I was going to get a small precision set. And the ones I found at the hardware store, you got 5 of them for $14. Some were even more expensive than that. And this gives you 50, I believe it's a 60-piece set, so you get 50-ish bits for $12. So I am super pleased with this. I highly recommend if you have kids with all those tiny little screws on all their toys. If you do anything with electronics, like Craig said, it's amazing. So that's number one. The other one was a gift to me from my wife. This is a GrypMat. So this is a silicone GrypMat. It sticks to anything, and it is for, not anything, but a lot of stuff. And it's for holding your tools when you're working on projects. So, you know, I try and do stuff on our cars, on my lawnmower, and I think this is a problem with most people. When you're working on stuff, like I'll work on something and I'll set a screwdriver over here and I'll set a socket over there and I'll set pliers over there. And then when I need it, I'm like, wait, where is that? So you can toss this up on your windshield and it sticks on your windshield. It's got a little ruler built into it. You can kind of see. You see that, like the ruler in there? I don't know how much I'll use that, but that's kind of handy. And there's 3 different sizes. This is the medium one. The big one, so you can see this one, I believe is about like that big. And the small one, I think, is just like this large compartment. Yeah, it's amazing. And the company, the guy that owns the company is a vet. And so proceeds go to help veterans. So I just thought it was a really cool product. You can wash it, scrub it with soap, all that if it gets dirty. So highly recommend one of these if you're anything like me and you lose your tools when you're working on stuff, then pick one of these up. Not terribly expensive, I don't believe. We'll put the price either in the description or like right here. Here, maybe. Yeah. So those are kind of my 2 product reviews right now, or tool tips, if you want to call them that. Just want to update you. I know Craig's been doing a lot of content, and I've been working on stuff. Couple things to kind of let you in on. I'm working on a shadow box, a huge shadow box. I know I'm going to alienate some people when I talk about this project, but so this is a Cubs W flag that I had for a long time. You can see it's seen better days. It flew on my flagpole for years and years and years, because I am a Cubs fan. And we were lucky enough to get to go to Game 5 of the World Series at Wrigley, and I took this flag with me. And, you know, waved it when the Cubs won, and then they won the series that year. So I've just kind of had it in a drawer, you know, in a desk, and I wanted to do something nice with it, so I'm going to build a shadow box. I have some stuff done for it. I'm working on pricing out plexiglass and stuff like that right now. So that will be coming soon. The other one is, I think I may have mentioned this before, I'm going to be building a door for my shop, because my shop just has a door opening right now. But I'm waiting on a few things for that, a few new tools that I need to get. But I will take you through a door building process. I think I kind of know what I'm doing, not 100% at all, but I built a door for my girl's treehouse and it turned out perfect. So I'm just going to kind of go along that same path of building. And yeah, so that's kind of what I've been working on. And back here we have, you can kind of see a stack of stuff. This is another storage box I'm building for someone that ordered one. using some mahogany and poplar. It's a larger one, and I've kind of made some mistakes and messed some things up. I'm trying some new methods, so that's that's a lot of making and building is just is learning as you go and making mistakes and then having to start over. So I've had to do that twice now, and I need to go get some new wood from the store, but they are out of the poplar that I need. So I'm just waiting for them to get more in stock so I can finish that up. So that's kind of been the delay in that. So again, thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and share and subscribe. Share as much as you can if it's something that you like, and drop us a line if there's something you want to see us do or make or anything. I've had a few people tell me they want me to make a homemade drum because I am a drummer, but that might be in a few years when I'm a little bit more experienced into woodworking. So let us know what you want to see. Hope everyone's doing well and had a great holiday, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.